एक नंबर अरे सर जी धक्का मत देना। लो लो
And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we declare Hyderabad Jewelry Polynesian Fair 2024, India's premium B2B jewelry exhibition, 3 days of extravagant exhibition. Years of unbeatable legacy, HUF brings to the forefront unsurpassed Nutan, IPS Joint Commissioner of Police Administration. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor right here with us. Thank you so much, President Hajma, right here with us. Mr. Kailash Shecharan, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, sir, for being here with us. Thank you so very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we can be a bit more louder with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Slow down.
We can be a bit more louder with the applauses. Thank you. And we couldn't thank you more for being here with us and for gracing. There has to be a happy picture at the end of the day.
Please teacher here, sir. Everyone look here.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా అంటే కేవలము జ్యువెలరీ వ్యాపారస్తునే కాదు, ఏ వ్యాపారి అయినా కూడా మనకి వ్యాపారాన్ని హైదరాబాద్లో పెట్టాలి అని ఆశపడతాడు. ఎందుకంటే ఇది సేఫ్ సిటీ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వ్యాపారాలు పెరిగినప్పుడు ఉపాధి పెరుగుతుంది. అంతేకాకుండా లివింగ్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ కూడా పెరుగుతాయి. మనకు మన రాష్ట్రానికి ఇది ఒక గొప్ప అవకాశం. అందరూ కూడా ఇక్కడికి చేరిన వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ యొక్క బిజినెస్ని ఎంచుకోవడమే కాదు, మన హైదరాబాద్ పేరుని కూడా గొప్ప చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. దాన్ని బట్టి చాలా
ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వాళ్ళకి 15 ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నది, ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ 16 ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నది. మేము వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. కారణం ఎందుకంటే మన తెలంగాణ డెవలప్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు కొత్త కొత్త డిజైన్ స్టాల్ పెడతారు. బయటతో మొత్తం హిందుస్థాన్తో మొత్తం ఇండియాతో రాజస్థాన్, కేరళ, తమిళనాడు, కర్ణాటక కొత్త కొత్త డిజైన్ వస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు
ఈ షో ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే
ఇదే
ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏం డిస్ప్లే చేస్తారు, అవి ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొస్తారు, వాటిలో చేంజెస్
అది చేంజెస్ ఏమన్నది అంటే ఇప్పుడు కర్ణాటకలో ఉన్నది, కర్ణాటకలో ఏమో చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది మనము టెంపుల్ జ్యువెలరీ చెప్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కరితో కోయంబత్తూరు ఆ సైడ్తోనే వస్తున్నారు. అది డెవలప్, అది ఇక్కడ రాలేదు కదా. ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు తీసుకొచ్చినారు. మనం ఇక్కడ అది హోల్సేల్లా రిటైల్లా గిరాకపోతే చాలా హెవీ ఉన్నది. ముందుగా హెవీ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు లైట్లా దొరుకుతుంది కదా. చాలా మంచి డిజైన్ ఉన్నది. గిరాక్ మనది తెలంగాణలో లేదు. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు కొత్త కొత్త డిజైన్ తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. మనం చూసినాం కదా కర్ణాటక, మన తెలంగాణలో ఇప్పుడు కరీంనగర్ 5 సంవత్సరాల కింద ఏమున్నది, ఇప్పుడు ఇంత సంవత్సరాలు డెవలప్ అయింది. మహబూబ్ నగర్ చూడండి, ఇంత వరంగల్, హన్మకొండ చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద షాప్ అక్కడ ఓపెన్ అయింది. మన తెలంగాణ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ తీసుకొస్తారు, మనం డెవలప్ చేయాలి. నాకు ఒకటే ఉద్దేశం ఉన్నది, మన తెలంగాణ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మొత్తం డెవలప్ కావాలి. ఈ కోసమే మేము వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరు కూడా వస్తే మనకి ఏం లేదు, కానీ కొత్త కొత్త డిజైన్ వస్తారు, చేస్తున్నారు. మనకు మన దుకాణం వాళ్ళకి డిజైన్ దొరుకుతుంది, గిరాక్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది, బేరం మంచిగా అవుతుంది, మనం డెవలప్ అవుతుంది తెలంగాణ.
We were talking in the morning that there are certain bracelets which are like 3 grams. So it is pocket friendly because gold prices we all know are going very high. It's getting difficult for people to buy for their weddings and other things. So they're making designs which are very, very with the market today. The Gen Zs, the millennials, what they like, what is selling, what they're going to wear later. Like I was just talking to my colleague here that he said, oh, you're wearing 2-3 bracelets together. So I said yes, because today the trend is to stack it up. We want jewelry which we will wear, which we will cherish, which we will pass down from one generation to another. We don't want the lockers to wear it. So when you see designs here, these are B2B. And at this stage, they're making sure that the designs are such that the final end consumer likes it. Also, what I love about Informa Markets is that they're also into educating the consumers, educating the trade. So we are having panel discussions today as well as tomorrow. This time they've given me a very unique topic where, yes, we are bringing in the daughter-in-laws who are joining the family business. At most times we used to see that, the ladies would help in the showrooms, in the offices, normally without any formal designation, without any recognition or compensation, because it's all in the family. But now times are changing. They are being given clearly defined roles and responsibilities, and we are going to have 3 such daughter-in-laws who will share their journey, their experiences of how they have achieved a work-life balance. They are in the family business. They are, making sure they are contributing to the business, its growth, its success. At the same time, making sure that the family dynamics are okay and family life is harmonious. So if you all are there, please come. Most welcome. It will be an interesting session. We are having a lot of other sessions also. So Informa Markets is basically wanting to help the trade, the consumer, educate the consumer. Authenticity, transparency are the keywords here. And I am so very happy to be associated. Mr. Yogesh Madras, Pallavi Mehra, Mr. Pankaj Shinde, and all the associations who are helping them. I wish them all the very best, and I hope they take it to another level with each passing year. Thank you.
Will have they will learn something with you.
Women empowerment.
Well, women empowerment. They are very good in talking.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me brief you about the exhibition. This is the 16th exhibition, 16th edition of our HJF show. We have more than 350 exhibitors over here, and we expect more than 12,000 visitors in these 3 days. I as an exhibitor, this show has a great impact on my business, and I every year see this show to come, and we could have a new business. We have new clients from all over South India, and we really wait for this show to happen every year. Thank you.
Markets India, welcoming you to Hyderabad Jewelry Fair. This is the oldest fair in South India, and we started this 16 years back. 16th edition means this bright new hall of high-techs, and this is the largest ever one. 350 exhibitors, 750 plus brands, 2 lakh designs on the show floor. It's something which is humongous. You can unbelievable. There's great designs are there on there. From across the country, some of the international designs are on showcase, and all designs are going to be coming out and hitting the market for all you consumers in this coming festive and wedding season. So happy that we are here in Telangana and making this happen for the state of Telangana, and this has become the business hub for buying and sourcing for pan-India jewelry now, and we at Informa Markets will keep coming back with such kind of initiatives.
Sir, how many exhibitors are participating in this, and what is the unique of this exhibition?
Yeah. So 350 plus exhibitors are here, and unique, I would say there is everything. You want gold, you want diamond, you want lab-grown diamond now, which is a new section. We have 20-25 new exhibitors on lab-grown diamond which are there. There's lightweight jewelry, the trendy jewelry which the youngsters would want to wear, which can be used as per their fashion statements, and so there's something that the traditional Naqsh jewelry or the temple jewelry. So everything for each one of every test is available in this. Also there's machinery also. There's a lot of machinery element which goes into this thing. So for the entire industry, this is a value show which is end-to-end value.
So how many days is this exhibition?
It's a 3-day show.
How many visitors you are expecting?
Over 8,000 trade buyers coming into this show.
My name is Hetal Vakil Balia. I'm an educator, a jewelry designer, a manufacturer. I have been in this industry for about 34 years, and I've also been associated with Informa Markets. I love the way their exhibitions are organized. It has a very corporate touch, which takes it to another level. Today we have about 300 plus exhibitors here. The designs for me is so important to check the designs, because I am a designer, I am a manufacturer, so I am very, very impressed. There's lightweight jewelry since gold prices are going so high, and also the current generation, the Gen Z and the millennials, they want jewelry which is more wearable, which is not worn by the locker. It's something that they can wear for different occasions like parties, for work, even for certain special occasions. So I have seen that the designs are all up to the mark. Finishing is very good. We also have traditional jewelry, which is like, for example, the temple jewelry. Now those will never go out of style, because they are part of our culture. They are a part of Stridhan, a lady's trousseau. So these kind of things are there, but they're trying to make it lightweight, so that the youngsters don't get fed up. They wear that jewelry even after the wedding is over. So there is a niche market. Your target group is very important. We have exhibitors. Each of them are doing different things here, but all of them are taking care that quality and finish and transparency, authenticity is all taken care of. Only then will the customer feel that secure, right? We always ask कि हमारा सोना सही है, hallmarked है. So these guys are taking care of certification, hallmarking, and I think that Informa Markets is taking the exhibition at a higher level with each passing year. Every time I come here, I find that they've upgraded it. Their standards are higher. We also have a lot of panel discussions. In fact, tomorrow I'm doing one for daughter-in-laws who are taking part in the family business. Till now, they were never in the forefront, generally in the background, helping in the shops, in the offices, in the jewelry showrooms. But now they are having, clearly defined roles. And we are having 3 such ladies coming over, so that our people in the industry realize that women are a part of the workforce. The product is for women mainly, men ke liye bhi hai, lekin product is mainly for women, and if we have so many women in the workforce but not at higher levels, now that is changing, and I think it's also in keeping with the Prime Minister's policy for women empowerment. And in this particular exhibition, I am so happy that education, trade promotion, taking care of consumers, everything is looked into, and therefore I wish Informa Markets all the best, and I hope to see them every year. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.